I'm Michelle Stokes. I'm the ADA compliance specialist for the City of Tempe. And what I do is facilitate inclusion in the City of Tempe in departments, events, activities, facilities, rights of way, um, just about anything we can think of that Tempe does. We want to make sure everyone is included. I've been working for the City of Tempe for 3 years. They've been very open to providing accommodations. I brought some show and tell of some of my accommodations, which is I use a listening system when I have meetings where it allows me to pick up uh, more information than without it. I don't wear hearing aids because they give me migraines, but I use a variety of other devices. When I have large meetings where I have to do minutes or make sure that I get all of the information, I also use a tape recorder with a uh, conference microphone, which, along with earphones, increases the volume. So it makes it a whole lot easier for me to get the information when I start to do my typing. Some of the other accommodations I have at work are a tactile phone for captioning, that captions the phone. I've gotten very good at delaying tactics while we're waiting for the captions. The other thing that has to do with strategies. If I'm controlling the meeting, most likely I will be standing up so that I can move around to lip read. Pretty much my method of hearing is lip reading. Um, if I'm not controlling the meeting, another strategy I use is I get to the meeting early to find out where the head of the table is. It's never always at the head, it could be at the middle of the table. Most people will speak to others or the leader of the group and focus and look at them as they're talking. So if I position myself close by, I can usually it's usually a good place to be when I'm trying to lip read. I get messages on the phone, which I cannot hear, and so I love to borrow people's ears. We have an administrative secretary who is very familiar with my request to borrow her ears. She will listen to the message that comes in and type it up for me and send it back to me. It's always an education process. Wherever I go, I'm very open about my needs for lip reading, and even though you remind people, 10 years later, you're still reminding them.